Today we'll do that chapter 6 triangles. Chapter 6 triangles. In that, first we'll study about the some topics which I have studied already from class 6. First, what is triangle? Triangle is three sided closed figure. Means in the triangle three sides are there and that sides are closed. Okay, so name that triangle. Triangle A B C. The name of this triangle is ABC. Okay, and in that the three sides are there: AB, BC and CA, and that AB can be written as AB BA, both sides are same, and BC is CB and CA is C. Okay, AB or BA, that means that is representing the same side, and BC and CB were representing same side. C and AC both all are representing the same these sides. Means these are the three sides. The same way three angles are also there: angle A, angle B and angle C. Now angle A also we can represent as angle BAC or angle CAB. Same way angle B equals angle ABC or angle CBA. Same way angle C will be what? Angle ACB or angle BCA. Means you see that just like the sides AB and BA both are same. Same way angle A, angle BAC, angle CAB that are same. Angle B, angle ABC, angle CBA, angle C, angle ACB that are same. Means if we are speaking angle BAC or angle A or angle CAB, that means we are representing only angle A, and angle B, that time we are representing the word angle ABC and angle CBA. Similarly this also. These three angles and these three sides, that are called the six elements of the triangle. That are called the six elements of the triangle. Okay. Six elements of the triangles are what? Three angles and three sides. On the basis of the three sides, three types of triangles we can draw. That is on the basis of sides, like the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is that triangle in which the sides are unequal, means any of the two sides are not equal to each other. Suppose this is representing the same sides. Okay, here first you will understand the equilateral triangle. I have done this sign. This sign means what? These angles are same, these sides are same, and these sides are suppose 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And this is called the equilateral triangle because all sides are same. And if all sides are same, therefore all angles will be also equal. Okay, and you know that in triangle the sum of the angles equal 180 degree. If all the angles are equal, then each angle will be 60 degree. These in equilateral triangle, each angle will be what? 60 degree. Okay. Now next is there this is the what? Equilateral triangle. Now isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the suppose this is 7 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. Okay, and this is 8 centimeter. There the two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, therefore the corresponding there in front of that side, that angles are also equal. Suppose this is 70 degree and this is also 70 degree. So this is the isosceles triangle where the two sides are equal, and if two sides are equal, therefore two angles will be also equal. And next one is there is scalene triangle, when the any of the two sides are not equal. Suppose this is 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. This is the what, that is scalene triangle, where the all sides are unequal, means they are not equal to each other, and if they are not equal to each other, therefore angles will be also not equal to each other. Okay, so there are three kinds on the basis of the sides I have told you. Now next is there, on the basis of angles, three types of triangles are there. First one is there, that is the acute angle triangle, where the angles are between 0 to 90 degree. Angles are between 0 to 90 degree, that is called the what? That is acute angle triangle. Suppose this is 60 degree, this is 70 degree, and this is 50 degree. This is what acute angle triangle. All angles are between 0 to 90 degree. Next is the right angle triangle, where the one angle is 190 degree, that is called the right angle triangle. And if one angle is 90 degree, other two will be acute, because that can be not equal to 90 or more than 90. And next one is there obtuse angle triangle, where the one angle is more than 90 degree. Suppose this is 120, others two will be what, acute. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle will be more than what, 90 degree, and there the equal to 90 degree, that is less than 90 degree, 0 to 90 degree test line. So this is the what, acute angle triangle, that is right angle triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle. So these are the three kinds of it. The triangles on the basis of the angles. So on the basis of the angles, on the basis of the sides, 6 elements we have discussed here. Now the angle sum property, already you know that there is this sum of the angles in a triangle equal to 180 degree. Now the triangle inequality. What is the triangle inequality? Saying that any triangle, if you are going to construct, then always the sum of the two sides has to be greater than the third side. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Then always the A plus B will be greater than C, or A plus C is greater than B, or B plus C is greater than A. These three conditions has to follow. It is not that the two conditions are following and third condition are following. This is called the triangle inequality. Inequality. Now come in the topic. What you have to say? These are the basics. In class 9th, you have studied about the congruency of the triangles. Congruency means कि when the two triangles are what, exactly equal to each other. Okay. Exact overlapping. Two triangles are there that are exact overlapping. Suppose the one triangle you have constructed of 6 centimeter and other is also 6 centimeter equilateral triangle, and both are equilateral triangle. Then that will be what? That will be congruent. The difference between the congruent and the similarity means here I have given the equilateral triangle, means these three sides are equal and this is also equal, and this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter, they are congruent. But when I have constructed the two triangles, one is the 6 centimeter of equilateral triangle, another I have taken of 8 centimeter. Okay. So this time they will be not congruent. They will be what? That will be similar. They are same like. They are same like. Okay. So equilateral triangles are that are similar. But if they have the same size, then they will be what? Congruent. Otherwise, if their size is different, then they will be what? Similar but not congruent. So means ki all the congruent triangles are similar, but all the similar are not congruent. Means whatever the figures are there, all the congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not congruent. That you have to take care. Like you are going to take the photo from the studio, then you sometime you are speaking, I want the what? Postcard size. Sometime you are speaking the what? That is passport size. Passport size you are using for the form, to fill the form, and the postcard size for decorating in the home, for the photo frame you are using that. Okay. So but both are the what similar figures, because the from same negative that is made, and they are increased in the what same ratio. They are similar. Other examples are there, two squares are there but they have the different side, they will be similar. Two circles, they have the different radius but they will be similar. Okay, it means different radius circles are there that are similar. So this is the basics in the triangle, what are the similar and what is the difference between the congruency and the. Okay, sir, thank you.